Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Public Health Ki Rasoi. Today we will discuss about mental health and nutrition. In this episode, we will explore the connection between our diet and our mental health along with the role of specific nutrients in supporting mental health. What is mental health? Mental health is not merely the absence of mental disorders. It is a crucial aspect of overall well being, influencing how we think, feel, and act. It includes the emotional, psychological, and social aspects affecting our ability to cope with stress, relate to others, and make choices. Now, let us explore the link between diet and mental health. There is a complex relationship between diet and mental well being. Studies indicate that specific nutrients and dietary patterns can influence mood and mental functions such as ability to think clearly, understand and learn, and have a potential role in preventing or reducing mental disorders like depression, anxiety, extreme mood swings, etc. Nutritional deprivation during pregnancy and early childhood can lead to lasting impairments in newborn activity and reflexes, which is an automatic response to a stimulus by our body without thinking, like pulling our hands after touching a hot object. It also affects their sleep patterns and mental functions later in life, such as delay in learning to walk and talk, lack of empathy for others, and might even lead to aggressive behavior. Role of balanced diet in mental health outcomes. There is a strong correlation between dietary habits and mental health outcomes of an individual. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients that includes high intake of fruits, vegetables, nuts and legumes, moderate amounts of poultry, eggs and dairy, and limited consumption of red meat, processed foods like chips, biscuits, etc., sugars, and unhealthy fats. This diet pattern can enhance the mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Conversely, poor nutrition can lead to low mood and increased risk of mental health problems like anxiety, depression, addictions, etc. Now, we will learn about nutrients that impact mental health. Carbohydrates. Diets containing large amount of foods that increase blood sugar quickly to a large extent may lead to symptoms of depression. The rapid fluctuations in blood glucose from these diets may trigger hormonal responses leading to irritability and anxiety, while repeated low blood sugar is associated with mood disorders such as extreme sadness or happiness for long periods. Fats. High consumption of saturated fats have been found to harm brain health and reduce mental capabilities like increased forgetfulness and difficulty in concentrating. Omega 3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and can help alleviate symptoms of depression. Its sources are fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, etc. Micronutrient deficiencies from poor dietary habits can hamper normal brain development in children, leading to difficulties in learning and memorizing, along with poor mental abilities like difficulties in problem solving and decision making. Iron. Iron deficiency anemia can impair brain function even before birth if a mother lacks sufficient iron, adversely affecting areas of brain responsible for memory and executive functions like organizing, planning, etc., and lead to low mental performance, inattention, and memory issues in children. Its food sources are millets like bajra, ragi, rice flakes, legumes, peas, green leafy vegetables like amaranth, non-vegetarian food sources like fish, organ meat like liver, etc. Iodine. In children, iodine deficiency can lead to mental disabilities including poor intelligence and developmental issues such as difficulty in speaking and learning a language, problem solving, etc. Because iodine is essential for producing thyroid hormones, needed for proper brain growth. Studies show that children in iodine deficient areas have lower intelligence than those in areas with enough iodine. The food sources of iodine are iodized salt, milk and milk products, vegetables like spinach, eggs, seafood, saltwater fish, seaweed, etc. B complex vitamins and vitamin C. Deficiencies of B complex vitamins such as thiamine and riboflavin can lead to poor performance in activities that require coordination between mind and body, such as driving, writing, etc. Niacin and pyridoxine deficiencies in adults are linked to depression and dementia, which leads to gradual decline in memory and decreased capacity to think. Low levels of vitamin B12 and B6 are associated with cognitive issues like poor memory and attention, inability to concentrate in children, with B6 deficiency impacting learning and memory. Lack of folate, vitamin B6, B12, vitamin C, and choline is linked to greater memory loss and decreased attention, concentration, intelligence, and mood related disorders. Food sources of B complex vitamins are whole cereal grains and millets, especially ragi, bajra, pulses and legumes, green leafy vegetables, milk and milk products, yeast, mushrooms, and non vegetarian sources like chicken, eggs, etc. Vitamin C rich sources are lemon, gooseberry, orange, guava, sprouts, parsley, etc. Vitamin D. Low vitamin D levels are associated with a higher risk of schizophrenia, which is a mental disorder in which people see, hear, feel, or smell things that are not actually there, and depression. Our skin naturally produces vitamin D in our body when exposed to sunlight. The food sources of vitamin D are fortified foods like milk, oil, fish liver oils, egg yolk, etc. Now let us understand the gut-brain connection. Gut health significantly influences mental well-being. Probiotics found in fermented foods such as curd, buttermilk, tempeh, kefir, etc. can increase beneficial bacteria in our gut, which has been shown to improve mood and reduce anxiety. Reduction in beneficial bacteria and increased harmful bacteria in our gut is linked to mood disorders, leading to prolonged periods of extreme happiness, sadness, irritation, etc. Some gut bacteria can reduce the effects of anti-nutrients like phytates and tannins found in certain foods that inhibit nutrient absorption, thereby increasing the uptake of nutrients such as calcium, iron, magnesium, etc. by the body. Fiber-rich food containing whole wheat grains like oats, ragi, green beans, fenugreek leaves, broccoli, flax seeds, almonds, fruits like apple, banana, oranges, etc., and healthy fats may enhance beneficial microbial activity, which can help reduce depressive symptoms. It has been rightly said, as the food, so the mind. To sum up, today we have understood that the relationship between nutrition and mental health is complex yet significant. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients can improve mood and brain function while reducing the risk of mental health disorders. Conversely, unhealthy dietary choices can worsen existing health issues or lead to new ones. By adopting healthy, nutritious, and mindful eating patterns, we can actively improve our mental well being. That's all for this episode. For more details, you can visit our website www.nutritioninformatics.info or contact us on nutritioninformatics@fhts.ac.in. Thank you for watching.